Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in again. So today we are here doing our monthly BoxyCharm review. Dun dun dun! BoxyCharm. So this month's BoxyCharm, I'm actually pretty excited just because it has a lot of skincare in it. The only thing is that when we go do our first impressions a few days from now, you guys are gonna notice that I only was able to do the eyes on it just because that's all that I can actually try. It's skincare, which I'm not hating on it. I'm not. We're gonna get right into this, so we're gonna just keep it all together with the intro. So in this month's BoxyCharm, I got a ton of skincare. I absolutely love that because I'm always down to try new skincare products. You guys know that I'm very passionate about my skincare, so yay to you, BoxyCharm. Comment down below if you guys also like skincare. I am thinking about posting a few more skincare tutorials or videos or chit chat, get ready or get unready with me because I feel like you guys have a lot of questions around skincare. So comment with a thumbs up and skincare if you feel like that's the way to go. So the first item on the BoxyCharm is this guy right here. This is a Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Vitamin C Serum. It's a makeup removing wipe that removes even waterproof mascara, it claims. First of all, I needed wipes, so that's awkward. I feel like someone is listening to me. No, God is, but like, it's weird. BoxyCharm. Right? Secondly, I am very big on finding out what ingredients work for you in skincare. Vitamin C is one of those ingredients for me. I absolutely love having vitamin C in everything, in mist, in eye creams, in moisturizers, in wipes. That's absolutely great because vitamin C is a great brightener, a refresher for the skin. It really helps with scarring and tissue healing. So I'm excited to try these. I don't have an insert. I don't know if BoxyCharm is trying something different where they don't give you the prices and things on everything, or they want you to go to their website to check it out. So I'm gonna just link everything down below in the description bar. If I have to answer any of your questions, just comment and I will absolutely do that. The second thing that's in here, it is a Daily Concepts shampoo bar. A bar. So this is the box. I don't think I've ever tried a shampoo that's come in a bar before. It is definitely new to me. This is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm trying not to look weirded out, but it smells refreshing. I'm scared that this would dry my hair out. I don't know why I correlate bars with dry. But the ingredients it says is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, or no plastic. So this plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair. No plastic, a simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with more plastic bottles, excuse me. So it's a plant-based, yeah, vegan, I read that up here. So that's interesting. The other item I am super excited for, GlamGlow is a brand that I really do like. They have a few products at Sephora that I am absolutely in love with. I always recommend to my clients that are a little drier just because they leave your skin looking and feeling just, glow, like absolutely beautiful. So this is the GlamGlow Glow Berry Glow. I'm like making up words today. I don't understand what's happening. GlamGlow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And so it says to apply an even layer on your skin, leave on for 10 minutes. For best results, tissue off and smooth with any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry, follow with normal skincare routine. So I'm pretty excited. I have another mask that I'm trying by Corez. It also has probiotics, but that one has Greek yogurt. This one, it's almost like a little exfoliant too, just because I can see that it's got like chunks in it. So that'll probably be a mechanical exfoliation, which is not bad. So I'm excited to try that. And then the last two products are actually makeup products. So the first one is this Voss Essentials Pro Series palette right here. So this is a, what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pan palette. It's got 5 mattes, 5 shimmers. It's got a mirror attached to it. It's magnetized. It does go all the way back and it does like clip shut. So when you're traveling, the only thing that I don't like about this, and I'll talk a little bit about it in my video that's posting next, is the color selection. But if you want to know how this performs and how to create this look, then subscribe to my channel, hit the notification box, and you'll be alarmed of when I post the next video, which will be a review on this palette. Other thing that's in here, the last thing that's in here is a pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This actually I really did like, and again, if you want to know my opinions, my honest first impressions and how it performed, subscribe to my channel. I posted details about that in the next video, but an eyeshadow primer, who does not love an eyeshadow primer, especially a good one? So that is it for this BoxyCharm unboxing video. Again, I will go into detail and create this look right here, posting on my next video. So my schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Hit the notification, subscribe, you don't want to miss it. And that is it for this video, guys. I like to keep it super short. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to post a comment down below. Ask me, ask away. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram. It's Jojo Palacio, where I do a lot of behind the scenes. You guys will probably get to see a lot of the skincare stuff and what I think about it behind the scenes as well. So look me up, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time.